Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we have some useful marking and razor knife tools to show you. These little Kaizen thin-bladed knives are very sharp and very easy to get into tight places. Very effective to have. And then the markers are very tight and long-nosed. So stay tuned while we explore these useful tools.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now the razor knife and the markers. Now the markers are called long nose pattern markers, and as you can see they have a very long nose and a very narrow discrete tip on them. Means you can reach in someplace very close and still get a marker in there to be seen. They come in, we bought the silver and the black for marking our black baffle seal material and the black for marking aluminum. But anyway, they're nice long nose markers. The tips are fairly durable. Even Shop Monkey likes having them. So they are nice to have, and they are very effective when we go to do some marking stuff. Now the razor knife is especially nice, and with that nice long sharp blade on it. So I recommend these tools.
So here's a couple of really interesting tools for you. First off, this is a long nose pattern marker, and you can see the nose is fairly long. Very sharp tip and very small, so you can get into small spaces with a very fine line. Again, long nose. This one is in black. Again, except in silver. So we have something very similar. But there you go. The other useful item is this very thin razor blade. So again, you can get in very close to what you need to. Now, it is a very nice blade. They're easy to break. My cautionary tale is, if you buy a knife like this, this is by FastCap, it's the Kaizen knife thin, that thin blade. You're going to want to go at the same time and order packs of 10 replacement blades. You're going to need them. Don't ask me how I know that. I also bought the blade breaker so that if you chip a blade you can break it off right where you need it. It's got a little well that catches all the bits and pieces as they fall out, so you can either clip it on your belt or have it someplace where you're hanging on a string and pick it up, and then you dump them all out. So a useful item. I think we'll try it out. So the thin knife and the two markers. Do not forget the extra blades. You're going to need them. Ask Matt. I took 2 of these knives to the airport, and he broke all the blades, and so I had to drop off 30 blades with him. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, those are some useful tools you'll find. Blade breaker, the thin knife, and the markers. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.
And ladies and gentlemen, here's the newest member of our family, unnamed yet, but this cute little 5-week-old kitten is now a new member of the family, and I'm going to have to warn you, she is just filled with adorableness. She is so cute. When she went to the vet, they all oohed and awed over, and there's my hand for reference on what size the kitten is. So stay tuned for some more film. We'll be having this kitten appear as she grows up and becomes a bigger part of the family. Thank you.